it out like your dish doesn't show no place for vicious to live to. So babe, take this virgin blade so far in your back and replace your retrograde. Pull out and watch your back snap. It's right, that's the best. I think one of us is hiding something,
Guys, I'm bored. Me too.
Same. Let's just watch some TV.
Maybe talk first.
Okay, sorry.
What we should do? Maybe watch TV. Yeah, let's do that.
Isn't that what I said?
Shut up. Can I get some water? Yeah, why don't you go get some water?
Yeah.
Why? No, that's my dog. Oh, you sure?
Oh, shit! Oh, crap!
I thought you live in a pond.
Okay, I'm gonna drink.
Well,
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! What? No! Dude, what you do, dude? Yeah! It's an accident! What about you are accident? Come here, accident. Punch your face. Do that!
Stop fighting, guys!
You white. You white. Shut the TV on at least. Jeez.
Okay, try to turn it on.
You white.
Oh, what's happening?
I don't know! He made it down! What's happened? I don't know.
Ow.
Where is Otter?
I'm here.
What happened?
Where are we?
I don't know, but I'm very bored. Are you bored?
Who was that?
Say that?
Who was that?
Me? Huh?
Who?
Eh? You say ghost? Why you are scared?
You just came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Why do you
Yeah.
have no legs?
I'm a notebook. But make me tell you a song because you're bored. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's learn fun. Yeah.
Why do I have hands?
Why have fingers? Wait, how tall? Oh, quiet. Let's learn the lesson. But shush. Learn the lesson, but it's good. But you say you're fine. Yeah, it's fun to having fun. A fun of that.
Why
Can
the
you
time
see
that is
the
in the sky?
shush? Quiet. Fun is also love, but remember to have a fun. Don't just play a game on a line, even you sing a you can do have a fun. Wait, we have a yeah, I remember we have after. Yeah, what is it? What the heck? Who is that? These your friend, what about you ask him? He can play with us. Can be fun, all sad, but don't worry. You're not lonely. You have all the fun and the game. Where is him? I don't know. Then you say, oh shush, I want to sing a play. I'm scared, me too. You can cry. Please, you make it easy. I said sorry. I don't like it. You don't. I will tell your face what you are saying. Yeah, I'm so scared. Please just quiet. Don't be mad. I'm scared. He's a quiet. Otherwise, I have to what? Please don't shout. You little. What we gonna do? Just
What happened?
I don't know. Me too. Oh no! He's knocked down.
Oh shit!
We gotta check him back up. Wake up!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Me there.
What?
I'm not sure. Wake up! Speak Spanish. I say, look! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
One people! Let's go!
I don't know. I don't know. Something else. Wake up! Guys! What?
Humans!
Yeah, humans! Humans! Stop the song! Okay, we gotta think a plan how to fight.
Shouldn't we just transform into objects and blend into the surroundings?
No, we have a fight.
Why
Who has a plan? I has a plan.
Why do we have to be a rebellion? Aren't we supposed to do what we always do?
Yeah, but only one human. And also, every human taking us and get eaten. Why do you think we have a shortage of robots?
I don't know.
Because people have been taking, torture us, drink us, maybe eat us.
That's what they do with food, but I can't get it now.
You know what happened?
What?
You can drop objects and shatter because they are clumsy. So you have to fight.
Okay, rebellion!
Yeah, and I have a plan.
What? Everybody's butt, okay?
I don't know. Attack!
What? He's awake!
What's my face?
He's trying to escape! Glue guy fire!
Okay, boss. No, I'm not. Fire! No, I'm not. You missed. Ha! Sound the alarm! Sound the alarm!
Why are you scared?
I fight.
Don't be scared. It's gonna be alright.
Don't be scared. People just type him, but then he feel happy. But you know what people do me?
What?
People keep hit my head. Hit it.
Oh. It's okay.
What happened?
I don't know.
Alarm! Come on, dog. Let's go.
What have you done? Get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Okay. Hey, free me. Let's get out of here.
Wait, where are they?
Stop attacking me. You hear the noise? Let's go. My chance to escape. Die.
We don't know. Find them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Can fight us.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
What happened? What's going to happen? Help! Dude! But my back. No! What the? We gotta fight him. Come on! Let's go. I'm so excited to play Street Fighter. Choose a PC. Oh, a new character. Power. You seem like the student. Whatever. So excited to fight. What just happened? What the? Boom, 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 boom. What game am I? How you can? My back. Oh, we have. Oh,
That looks like it hurt.
yeah. No, wait! God, I'm going to win. Turbo punch. No! No! was out. I gotta keep fighting.
Stop whining, you kid, Biggie, and fight!
No, I'm so scared.
His guns come out!
Huh?
Dun,
Dun.
Just keep fighting, you little baby! You scared? You keep! I'm not scared! Wait!
Dun.
Yeah, you shit! Yeah, Scrub! Shit! God, it can get my butt! Come on! Don't be more! Come here, you shit! Die! No!
You die.
Oh, come on! Mommy! I'm on the new skin!
I think you got it.
Let's get back home, you scrub!
Okay.
Come on!
Oh, okay. What happened?
Where are we ghosts?
Why you don't have a mouth?
Why do we have not had legs?
What happened to you? What happened to you?
What are my hands?
Wait, are we ghosts?
Yeah.
Oh no. Let's get out of here. Look. A screen.
Screen, yeah.
We can get out of here.
Ow.
Wait. No. Wait. Are we paying? What's going on? Hey. Are you okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You hear the sound?
What song?
What's
Batman!
going on?
Yeah. That was a crazy day we had.
Yeah, don't do that again.
Never again.
Yeah.